What this workshop is going to give you is 3 things that you need to help with the issues. So number 1, a way to stop pulling and lunging when it starts. If your dog's has smelled something excited or has spotted some prey that you haven't and they are instantly at the end of the lead and pulling, you need a way to stop that pull as quickly as you can. A way to safely get out of situations where your dog's struggling to stay calm, and a way to teach duration of loose leash walking when you probably don't know what distractions are around you because you can't see or smell as well as your dog can. Good kiddo. Yay, good kiddo. Here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Well done. Don't worry about your dog being in a heel position. They just need to be near you. Now, this is really important because you get to decide what works for you with loose leash walking. There's not a formal position for it. It's not a competition type behaviour. It's something that you do when you're going out for recreational walks. So if your dog walks in front of you, that's fine. If they walk next to you, that's fine. If they walk behind you, that's fine too. If they change sides with you sometimes, as long as you're not getting tangled up, that's also fine. You get to decide.